In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flight online from Lagos to Abuja. It's going to be a full video tutorial guide. So open up your airline you're going to be using, right? So I'm using United Airlines, right? I'm going to click on it. So if you want to book a flight from Lagos to Abuja, ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video, right? So this video is for educational purpose only, as always. So click on book a flight, click on one way, right? Change this to, it's going to be in the NGN, right? So you're flying from Lagos to Abuja. I'm going to select on the Lagos. I'll search for Lagos, right? Okay, so we are flying from, I think, Lagos. Okay, yeah, Lagos, right? So we are flying to Abuja. So this is Abuja, right? So you're going to select how many people you're traveling with, right? If it's only you, let it be on one, right? So you're going to choose a traveling date. I can select this, right? Click on search flight. So you're going to wait, it's going to search up the flight, right? So you're going to select the date you want to travel, right? So once you're done, just select any of this, either this or this, right? I'm going to click on this. You're going to click on choose flight, right? So you're going to come on here, you're going to add up your details, right? If you're a man, you're a woman, just add it up from here. If you do like Mrs., let me say Mrs. Jane Frank, right? So enter your phone number, because you're going to be communicated with this, right? Enter your email, right? So this is just basic educational video, right? Click on the save. Once I've entered it, click on the continue, right? Now you're going to select your seat, right? You're flying from Lagos to Abuja. Click on this. You're going to choose your seat from here, right? So if you choose on this, if you choose this, you can just select any of this from this option, right? Once you're done, click on select seat. Once I've selected it, wait for it to load up, right? You're going to click on the continue. Now this is where you're going to complete everything, right? Just click on pay stake, right? You're going to pay with either your OPay, your palm pay. You're going to pay with transfer, right? Or with bank. So this is the final stage for you to complete everything. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video. Once you have made payment here, you're going to receive an email notification for your flight, right? So this is it. On that day, just be on the airport. You're going to be checked, right? Once everything has gone well, you're going to be onboarded to the flight, and you're going to enjoy your flight, right? So I'm going to see you on